Oh, look what I spy with my pick and eye, ladies and gentlemen. Free desk. What? Scrap metals? John the Picker needs that. Need the scrap metals. Facebook buy sell trade. Score of the week. Big ass desk. Check out these big ass flowers, ladies and gentlemen. What? Way bigger than my hand. I know somebody that wants that. That's awesome. Growing right on the side of the Picker mansion. Oh, there's Jesus and baby Jesus and Mother Mary over there. I gotta pick them up. Shit ski. This little guy coming up. Free trampoline, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Garage sale over there. What?
Daddy.
Oh, look at that. Even more scrappies, ladies and gentlemen. What? Scrap in the Picker hood. We got to go get that. That's a lot of scrap metal. Full trampoline frame. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Scrap metals. What? Scrappies. Check that beast out. It's even got free on it. Favorite word. What? I even seen some more shit, ladies and gentlemen. Friggin' stroller and shit. I'll leave that there in case somebody needs it. Never know. Baby shit. Oh, what they throw out today. Something. Oh, what do they got there, ladies and gentlemen? Free friggin' dresser. Look at that beast. What? Free dresser. That establishment. Oh, there's some rollerblades. We're checking them beast. Checking the rollerblade situation. What? It's craziness. That big ass I-beam tied onto the back of the Jeep. Holy shit. What? It's wild. Biggest piece of free scrap metal, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit. I need a tractor. American scrap. World's biggest piece of free scrap metal, ladies and gentlemen. They're tearing it down. Check that shit out. What? Wow. It's a big ass beam. These things are heavy as shit, guaranteed. Guaranteed big ass beam. He's gonna have to pump her and 4-wheel peel. Ain't that fucker. Got a hook too high. Oh. Holy shit, the whole thing shook. Bam. Turkey time. Gobble gobble. What? Garbage picking tour, ladies and gentlemen. Look what they threw out. A big ass friggin' TV and a vacuum. Big ass TV and a vacuum at that establishment. I might grab the vacuum. I have no clue. Find out when I get to the end of the road. Oh, look at what these guys threw out. Friggin' ceiling fan. I'm gonna grab up. What? Little ceiling fan. Sucker's nice too. Oh, look at what these guys threw out. A little hope chest of some sorts. Sucker looks pretty nice. what I found. Friggin' fan ski. Nice one too. Propane tank. Oh, check what they threw out this morning. Barbecue grill. What? Got a little surprise in my chicken nuggets. Hopefully they didn't count that as one. What? Little chicken nugget surprise. What? Check out all the free scrap John the Picker scored up today, ladies and gentlemen. What? Got some friggin' steel up in this beast. Look at them thick ass pieces. Thick ass pieces of steel, snowmobile skis, hot water tank, friggin' filing cabinet that's heavy as shit. They even had some old Tigers shirts in there. What? Vintage, folks. Those gotta be 1970s. Detroit Tigers. It's pretty cool. Detroit Tigers shirts, even Tigers branded. What? And they gave me free copper. Big ass piece of copper in there. Some old cans and a bunch of friggin' batteries. I got 2 of these. I took one in the house already, and then I'm like, shit, I forgot to make my YouTube video. John Deere mower battery. Looks like a quad battery of some sorts. Car battery. I think these are out of wheelchairs. Those are nice. I got 2 of them. Gel. Heavy as shit. I smacked my finger. I was putting one battery in there and I smacked my finger on another battery, pinched it. That sucks. That one. Look at that big ass piece of steel running through there. Thick as shit. What? Another battery there. Big old piece of steel right there. What? We got some steel, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Free shit. Shouts out to the people who gave me this. I sit next to them at the bump and runs and stuff, and they got a hold of me and gave me a bunch of free stuff. There's even a big ass one right there. Big ass piece of steel, and there's a grate in there. What? All kinds of it. Shit's heavy. We could steel plate something now. Make it armored. We need to slap about 20 pieces together. Make it that thick. Whole bunch of shit. I like this piece right here. Might keep that. Be good for a bumper. Good truck bumper. Long. A couple feet anyway. All the way up there. That's a thick ass piece. Bunch of copper. Like the copper wraps all the way around. Comes back down here. Over there. John the Picker's scoring up the scrap big times, ladies and gentlemen. Check out what these guys threw away. Some friggin' blankets of some sorts. What? Oh, look what them guys threw out this morning, ladies and gentlemen. Vox fan unit. Oh, we got a little packing going on, boys. A little bit of packing. What? Crow. That sucker drug the friggin' bag right across the street. Holy shit, what's in his garbage, boys? Seagulls. They love the trash. Garden hose. Garbage picking tour day, ladies and gentlemen. These guys up here threw out a bunch of ballast boxes. Ballast boxes in the house. Look at them all. What? Eat those. Fold them up or fold them up chair. We got to get to that. Anybody want a free friggin' bed? Check that beast. What? Free beds in the Picker hood. A little stain on it, but holy shit, man. What those guys threw out today. Looks like an old vintage ass horse. Some sorts. Try to pick that up. It's broken. It sucks. Got a nice couch, ladies and gentlemen. What? Nice little couch unit. Got the toaster. What? They got a little grill unit. Garbage picking tour day, ladies and gentlemen. Look what those guys threw out. Friggin' lawnmower. Gets that. Got a grill out there today, boys, and a TV. Holy shit, man. Look what that guy's got out there, a little table and shit that I'm not gonna grab. Not gonna grab that. What? They throw out there today, a little bed frame unit. What? A little bed frame. Free fan. That guys, they threw out some lamp units. Couple lamp skis. What? Wooden ones. Wonder what's in that box, ladies and gentlemen. Box with something in it out there today. Freaking fan. These guys threw out a freaking backpack in there. A nice ass one too. Oh, what do they got up here? Kinds of shit. Christmas tree lights and shit. They threw out up there. Friggin' bug zapper right there. We gotta get that. A bug zapper. They threw out a fancy ass coat rack. Look at that beast. What? There's a friggin' fan I gotta get. Little fan unit. Just picked up a fan lock, microwave, and a toaster. What? What do they got in their garbage? Some metal ski and some other shit. Garbage picking tour day. Shitload of garbages in the picker head, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody's got garbage out. What? Got their little chair unit. It's all tore up. Little chair unit. Garbage picking tour day in the picker hood. What? Oh, there's a free desk for you. Free desk. Look at all the shit this cat's throwing away. Radiators. Aluminum free. What? What I just found. Freaking lawnmower. What? Garbage picking, check what they threw out. Freaking lawnmower and a flat screen. We need that. Freaking need that. Next stop up where we got the Star Wars shit. A little bit of metal. Metal unit. These guys threw out a little rack of some sorts. Little desk unit. Oh, look what that cat threw out. A little grill unit. That's where I got the erector set from. Get a grill. Oh, look what they threw out. Freaking hot water heater. Oh yeah. Garbage all over the place today, ladies and gentlemen. Even in the middle of the friggin' street. These guys threw out a friggin' hockey bag. I'm gonna stop and get. Friggin' hockey bag. What? Looks like those guys up there threw out a friggin' electric power washer, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check that out this morning. Oh, what they throw out right there, a bunch of fun noodles. My kids are gonna like those. I'm gonna get them. Free stuff everywhere, check it out. What? I'm gonna get that metal shit. Hey, let's see what we find here today. Mystery, because I haven't been through here yet, so. Whatever we see, we're gonna see together. It looks like a bunch of freaking garbage so far. They might have a few, a big ass dresser up there. Huge dresser. Dresser and a headboard of some sorts. Big ass dresser unit. All that shit. Kinds of wood stuff there. Oh, check the finds in the picker hood today, ladies and gentlemen. All the shit I got picking. We got a bunch of shit garbage picking. Got me a hot water tank, says free scrap right on it. An old lawnmower. They had a flat screen TV sitting there too. I grabbed that up, it doesn't work. Got me a friggin' dehumidifying unit. Yep, they had 3 TVs there. One of them was a flat screen. The flat screen didn't work. They had the lawnmower, a couch, and some other shit. I got me an electric power washing unit. Husky. I believe it's the same friggin' thing that says on the box. It's got a little Husky on the wheels. Throwing shit out that's still in the box. Got a little grill, couple of grill units, got a printer. Friggin' printer. No memory cards up in that beast. Printer, desk, at the same place I got this nice desk, I got a rug. Older people, they usually have nice shit. The older people usually have nice shit. I also got a free lawnmower. They had this sitting out by the side of the road. I pulled up, asked the lady if I could have the old lawnmower, and she said yeah. So I loaded it up in my trunk and took it home. What? Probably doesn't run, who knows. These are the ones that do run, huh? Oh, she's gonna run good, I have a feeling. I got some more shit in the garage. Got a dryer and a hockey bag and some other shit. I'll show you that in a second. That'll be the end of the video. Scored up pretty good, and I got a trampoline frame. What? Look at that big ass piece of copper pipe. This thing's even got free scrap written on it. Up there it says free scrap, but yep, got me a nice hot water tank. $3 worth of copper right there. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. See if I can do this with one hand. That's crazy. Yard machines. It's got a blade on it too. Hell yeah. I'm gonna clean that up, make it look like brand new. Some more of this shit that I found, ladies and gentlemen. I got a Stinger bug zapper. No clue if that thing works. Christmas tree lights. Some friggin' cooking shit. Strainer. This is all in the box. I just grabbed the whole box. Some hunting shit. Little pouches to wrap around your waistband. It's pretty friggin' sweet. Sports field. Real tree. Be looking like a tree pretty soon. Names this shit. Car show at Walmart's, ladies and gentlemen, 2018. First time I've seen this one. First time we've seen the Walmart car show. This guy's gonna take a picture right out of his trooper. What? Guy's taking pictures right out of the trooper of the Casper car. I recorded this one before. It was at Big Boys. Look at that little racer. I like the Casper car. Guy works right over at Denflo's. What? That's pretty neat. A little race car. Corvette.
And yeah, I got good shit.
It's a sweet ass car. I like the newer ones better. The older ones don't handle very well. What? It's a sweet ass car. It's even got mirrors and shit in there. It's cool. Need some chromies on there. It's a cool looking car.
You recognize my mom? Oh, you look like your mom.
Let's check what's inside this beast.
Oh, okay. I just learned about that.
the hell is this? Oh, this tractor. This guy brought his Ford ski and they're giving away hot dogs too, or what? What? That's awesome. Free hot dogs and shit. Okay. It's a different style Bel Air than what I'm used to. Looks like an older one. It's pretty cool. Usually they're different looking.
We had a few springs. The last 2 years it rained on us.
We're gonna go see what's going on over here.
It's up terrible. Yeah, it works out.
They got the cars parked in here. They got the cars parked in here all messed up. I can barely record them.
Yeah, back is super.
Buicks. There's this here conversion in the middle. Must be a party. Oh, this car. It's original. It's got a nice stance on that guy. Wide ass back end.
I went to Ford's and maybe no trouble. Maybe you should put it in. No trouble. Wouldn't that be a good idea?
For sale by owner, 1932 Ford. That's what Ken Block needs.
Stay home once in a while.
Saturday. I'll take those up for you.
Good to see you. You weren't there.
Looks like they got some Traverse City cherries.
We went on that ride to see elk. It was just for $10. You didn't have to do the dinner. It was neat.
Well, we come to see what you had for sale, but you lost out because
It was neat. And I
we had
never
a
wanted
pocket full of money and nobody there to
Everything's
sell.
bolted right on there.
And actually, they do it again during BJJ.
Yeah.
Cassette tapes and shit.
It was
It's a
fun.
45-minute ride.
It was fun. It was.
Once they gave us the bugs.
Yeah, mosquitoes.
Well, I didn't get out. I didn't get out and run all over the place. Like I should. I probably could have took home a trunk full.
Reminds me of a Stephen King movie or something. Sometimes they come back, they had a black car like that.
Hey Wayne,
That's sweet.
you still got a bunch of old cars?
Yeah, I still got them all.
Are you going to get rid of any?
That's one of my favorites so far.
Oh no.
Pontiacs.
When you die,
What the hell is the Pontiac doing in a car show? That's so cool.
they don't do that.
It's got the Cobra on the hood. It's badass. It's got inside there. Don't look like nothing special in there. The Ario Speedwagon. Got a dog on there. It's crazy.
Oh, I see the town.
They could arrest anybody who was no matter what.
Freaking Dodger, if there's fat.
No, I get it.
I bet my Dodge could smoke that Mustang right there. What? This guy's gonna do a burnout. sucker out. River. Bad. This car is an Oldsmobile. It's got it right on the front. It says Oldsmobile. Taped that car like 10 times. This car is sweet. This car is pretty cool. Makes you wonder who used to drive that thing. Some rich person. That's
Always in a hurry to
Chrysler.
go, Mel. But it never shows.
He started in 1978. He's got a 400 turbo. It's a nice ass truck.
Yeah, 50%.
Everybody's leaving. Bronco.
We have screws coming at us.
Super smooth. Watch out, she'll overpower and run you over. Check out the breakfast in the Picker compound, ladies and gentlemen. Equipped with some Mountain Dew ski. What? You would think I was that big, boys. We're just gonna start calling this Big J's. Check out what I got. Fresh ground horseradish. Holy shit. Whew. Burns your nose, ladies and gentlemen. This shit'll burn your nose. They must have to wear a mask when they make that. Horseradish sauce. What you do with that, you take out a little scoop. Little scoopy. You get your bacon ski. You put the scoop of horseradish on your bacon like so. Then you eat it. What? Mmm. It burns your nose. What? It's one of the best things you'll ever do. I'm John the Picker. Check out the breakfast around the Picker Hood. What? Alright, YouTubers, check the finds on the Picker Show this week. We got a friggin' Hoover steam vac. That thing works awesome. I just need to find another brush for it. It's missing a brush. It's missing a brush underneath there. I need to find maybe a piece that goes right here. I have no clue. It's missing, so I don't know. Got a freaking lawnmower, yard machines. That's pretty cool. Dug it right out from underneath some garbage. She was in the garbage, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit, man. On Facebook, I got this desk. Some hot chick was throwing away a desk, ladies and gentlemen. How do I know she was hot? Because she helped me load it in my truck. What? Girls helping me load a big ass desk in my truck. Thing was heavy. We had to carry it out of her apartment and shit. Yep, she helped me load that up. I found this big ass hockey bag. That's a beast. Freaking awesome. Awesome ass hockey bag. CCM, RBZ, no clue. I don't play hockey, so I don't know. All I know is we can store some shit in there. It's even got a little handle and everything. LG dehumidifying unit. Humidity control on there. I think I already showed this. It's our Husky freaking power washer. It's still got the hoses and shit wrapped up. It's like brand new. They must have bought it, throw it away for me, guys. Stopped by this one house, found all this shit. What? Copper wiring. John Picker loves that kind. It's awesome. And they've been throwing away shit every single week. I stopped there, picked up some car wiring. Next week was that wiring. This time was a bunch of friggin' office chairs and windows and shit. Free dryer. I'm impressed with this thing. It ain't got a friggin' barely any scratches on that beast. Shouldn't even be keeping the computer monitor on there, folks. Found that in the garbage too one day. Check this dryer out. Free. The guy comes out, helps me load it up, and says his parents got a new one. They threw this out. Says it still works. No clue. I know we still got the manuals for it. Doesn't even look like it's got barely a scratch on it. We were picking it up and there's a dime rattling around in there or something. I was like, oh, making some money already. It's awesome. Free dryer. Instruction manuals. Awesome. We love that kind. Check out my free scores week after week, ladies and gentlemen. I have all kinds of shit. I almost forgot somebody gave me all them batteries. What? It's like $80 in batteries there, ladies and gentlemen. They gave me a shitload of batteries.